Hey guys, I'm back with another video on Floodescape 2, having a good time. And guys, please comment down below. I don't want to keep making these videos. I mean, I just make them for fun. So, can you just make, wait, oh. Can you just comment down below some games you guys want me to record on? And yeah. And let's try and hit 20 subscribers. I know we can do it. Happy Halloween, YouTube. Yeah, happy Halloween. Honestly, I got the Halloween aura. No Halloween aura. Look at this. Yeah. Also, this obby. Let's go through the. I'm going to the updates. I'm going through them. I'm going through the updates. Updates. Yeah, so wanna know something, guys? Graveyard Cliffside hard map, it got updated, and I'll try and get that map. So, and new lobby, and the auras from last year are back. Next video will he about to rebirth YouTube. Wait, next video will he about to... Yeah, I'm about to rebirth, kinda, but next video I will make a video of him rebirthing, though. Plain, make it graveyard. Only hard maps. Try that for the wreck. Cause you are, wait, you're wrecked too? Never knew that. Wait. Oh, there we go. At first I thought, I did not know I had my, thing on. Yeah. No, dude. Yes, dude. I need to show everybody that before they watch some other YouTubers that. Then let's go to other VIP. Maybe, I don't know if he's not going to agree. It's banned. Got banned? Okay. Never knew that. Okay. Please, hard. Yes, please, 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 please. Please, please. I really want it. Oh man. Shoot. I think I just might reset because this is my least favorite hard map anyways. Yeah. And guys, if you want to know how much my hair costs, it's probably around like somewhere around like 3,000 to 4,000 Robux. And my shades, whenever I got them, it cost 1.7k. And mostly everything else I got from the event, and the top hat was from a code. But I might put the code in the description, maybe, if you guys don't have it. I'll just put it in the description. Alright. Okay, they're almost done with the map. I reset it because if we all survived, then wow, then we would have to go to insane. So I resetted. Come on, please, please, please. It better be. Okay, I will. Oh my gosh. I'll reset again. Okay, I will pause the video until we get Graveyard Cliffside. So see you guys in a little bit. Is it Graveyard? Please, 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 please. Oh no. Is it Graveyard Cliffside? It could be. Please, please. I hope it is. Wait, is it? Is it? Yes, Graveyard Cliffside. Look at this, guys. I already beat it, though. Oh no, look at this. Oh. Too much lag, too much lag. Really? Oh my god. I did not know. If you hit that button, now you have to go that way. Those wall jumps. You can't just press the button unless you had the speed glitch, maybe. Oh, never checked that button down there yet before, and didn't I even get to see this part? But if you fall down, oof. Ghosts are still there. Some updates, and I'm just gonna spectate winner so you guys have, if you guys can see how to beat this. If you do not know where to go, just watch and learn. Go. Okay, well you hit that button. Well, that's something new. Never even knew about that. That's probably, yeah, that's a new button. Now there's an extra button in the game now. And once you get there, it's just the same thing, but once you get to the last two jumps, it's on the top, and then it's the other one's on the bottom, so it's much easier. Okay, now you know where to go. Okay, you do not need to put that in caps. But, yeah. Just wanted to show you guys what the update was. I wasn't just playing a Flood Escape 2 video like normal. Because I don't think I made a video on any other games. Wait, I do not know. Maybe? No, probably not. So that's why I'm telling you guys to comment down below, because I don't want to just play random games that you guys probably don't even know. Like this, because, wait, no you're not, dude. You're level 96. You're about to rebirth. You said you were going to do it today, but, or you could do it tomorrow if you don't play, like, all day. If you played all day, I did that before, and I leveled up 5 times, and I was on my phone the whole entire time. And if I was on the computer the whole time, what? Is he saying I'm a noob? Don't know. What? Okay. Bro, right. What? Okay, it's not going to be Graveyard. Imagine, oh, yeah. Yeah. Let's see if we could get Graveyard one more time. But if we don't get it the next hard, then I'm just gonna pause it. We probably aren't. It will probably take a while to get it again. So, just gonna let you guys watch me try and beat Wild Savannah. Wonder which one's harder, Sedimary Temple or Wild Savannah. Now, Graveyard Cliffside has become kind of a good map now. It's kind of like my second or third favorite. Actually, you know what? Wild Savannah, Sedimary Temple, and Graveyard Cliffside is my favorite maps now. Only if it goes back to normal Graveyard Cliffside, then it's not going to be. Because I really love it right now. Hope it does not get changed. I'm surprised Gloomy Manor didn't get changed. And it's a Halloween map. Okay, is he gonna get that button? Okay, lag, did he hit it? Okay, he did. Yay, and we beat Wild Savannah on mobile. Nobody else did, so that surprised me. Oh my gosh, you got all buttons. Well, no you didn't. No you didn't. You guys saw me. You guys saw me get that wall jump one. Didn't you guys? Yeah, almost. That still wouldn't be a solo. Oh yeah, I forgot I was gonna pause it. Is it Graveyard Cliffside? I don't think it is. So Sedamary Temple. Oh, Lava Tower. I forgot about this one. Yeah, Lava Tower's after Sedamary Temple and Wild Savannah and Graveyard Cliffside. But I like it. It's kind of fun. And not... Oh! What did I just do there? Wow. Yeah, but if I want to rebirth, I need about 150,000 XP to rebirth. For me to get level 100... Wait. 160,000 to rebirth. 150,000 to get to 100. Because you gotta get full XP to rebirth, of course. And of course, I see a billion people rebirth on videos, but not like in Flood Escape 2, the real game, actually. Someone look at... Okay, I'll look at you. Wait, where are you? Okay. Wait, how long is the video? Okay, I guess I'll have it for 20 minutes. Next to Pro Server inside. Okay. I'm going to oof. I own all the emotes. Yes. Get on platform. What do you mean? Oh. Hi. Yes, I know how to do that. Now put back on the T-pose because I don't really like having the oof on a whole lot. Ah! Okay, please survive. Okay, thank you. Because I want to try and beat it on my phone with recording, which is lag. Okay, Wild Savannah again, really? I can't believe it. Okay, I'm just going to pause it. Alright, guys, I cannot. I'm so sorry. I will try and do it another time, but actually, I'm going to end the video right here. Smack that like button and subscribe if you're new. Let's hit 20 subscribers. And I'll see you guys next time.